Cúgarad nach glosfa ach in Noelga Chonamara. Ibrahim chiocht instead of chocht. So as you bounce between different dialects, there are sometimes variations in verb and nouns between, let's say, Standard Irish and the dialectical version. In Connemara, one of the biggest ones is chiocht as the verb and noun for come. So by sheik chiocht rash anocht, she'll be coming back tonight. Iverdo, chas being used instead of buil for meet. So chas me lo arer, I met them last night. Ivertree, sa forcing an uru on to the next word. So while in Ulster and Munster and in Standard Irish, you'd normally say Sowalia for at home or in the town. In Connemara, it'll be sa malia, so the uru going on to balia. Another example in the pitch, sa bork. Ivercaher, tau, meaning fine or grand, a very common word. So chinkwe wiltu, tome tau, how are you doing? I'm grand. Agus Ivercuig and I fada being added to the end of plurals. So essentially plurals that ends with ucha or una. Examples would be rilacha for rules and keshtana for questions. In Connemara they'll often be rilachi for rules and keshtani for questions. Lai wadni smo dzirka sula sho be the wall or patreon.com/learn Irish